Ever wondered how to make money with affiliate links on social media? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless individuals and businesses tap into the potential of affiliate marketing as a viable income stream. But what is affiliate marketing, you ask? Simply put, affiliate marketing is a process where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You promote the product, convince potential customers of its value, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to invest the time and effort to create a product to sell. You just need to know how to connect a potential customer to a product, and voila, you're making money. Now, let's talk about the role of social media in this process. Social media platforms have become a significant part of our daily lives, haven't they? They're where we connect with friends, share our experiences, and increasingly, where we discover and purchase products. That's where you come in. As an affiliate marketer, you can leverage the power of social media to reach a vast audience. You can use it to promote your affiliate links in engaging, authentic ways that resonate with your followers. Think about it. Every like, share, and comment on your post can potentially lead to a sale. Every follower you gain can become a potential customer. That's the power of social media in affiliate marketing. And it's not just about making money. It's also about building relationships with your audience, understanding their needs, and providing them with valuable products. It's about creating a win-win scenario where you earn income while helping your followers find products they love. Now you see the potential of affiliate marketing. So let's dive into the steps of how to make it work for you. Choosing the right affiliate program is the first step towards success. It's like finding the perfect dance partner. You both need to be in sync, understand each other's rhythm, and together create a harmonious performance. Now, how do we find this ideal partner in affiliate marketing? It boils down to 3 key factors. First, let's talk about the payout. You're here to make money, right? So you need to consider how much commission the program offers. Some programs offer a flat fee for every sale, while others offer a percentage. The higher the commission rate, the more money you make from each sale. However, don't let the high numbers blind you. The second factor is the program's reputation. Imagine this. You're recommending a product to your audience. They trust your judgment and buy the product, but the product turns out to be subpar, and the company's customer service is non-existent. Who will your audience blame? Unfortunately, it's probably you. Therefore, it's crucial to choose a program from a reputable company that values its customers as much as you value your audience. The third and final factor is relevance. The affiliate products should align with your audience's interests. If you have a fitness blog, an affiliate program for kitchen appliances probably isn't the best fit. Instead, you might want to look at fitness equipment, dietary supplements, or workout gear. Think of these 3 factors as the legs of a stool. If one leg is shorter than the others, the stool wobbles. If one leg is missing, the stool falls over. You need all 3 legs to be strong and balanced to have a stable platform for your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember, the right affiliate program aligns with your audience's interests and offers a fair commission. It's not just about making quick money. It's about building a sustainable income stream that respects your audience and promotes products you genuinely believe in. You can't promote your affiliate links without an audience. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fact. Now, how do you build that engaged social media audience? Let's delve right into it. Firstly, you've got to create valuable content. It's the lifeblood of your social media presence. Whether it's a well-researched blog post, an insightful infographic, or a captivating video, your content needs to be something that your audience finds useful or entertaining. Remember, content is king and quality trumps quantity every time. The more value you deliver, the more your audience will trust and engage with you. Engaging with your followers is another key strategy. This isn't a one-sided conversation. When someone takes the time to comment on your post, respond thoughtfully, show appreciation for their engagement, ask questions to spark further discussion, and always be open to feedback. This helps to build a sense of community and shows your audience that you value their input. Next, use relevant hashtags. These are like beacons that help your content get discovered. But be careful, it's not about using the most popular hashtags, it's about using the ones that are relevant to your content and audience. For example, if you are promoting a fitness product, using hashtags like #fitnessgoals or #healthyliving can help you reach people interested in fitness and health. Consistency is also key. You can't expect to build an engaged audience if you're only posting sporadically. Set a schedule and stick to it. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps to build anticipation for your next piece of content. Lastly, don't forget to be authentic. People can tell when you're not being genuine, and this can harm your credibility. Be true to yourself, and your audience will respect and engage with you more. Remember, building an engaged social media audience doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. But the payoff is worth it. An engaged audience is more likely to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep being you. Now that you have an audience, it's time to promote your affiliate links. One of the most effective ways to do this is by including these links directly in your social media posts. This can be as simple as adding the link to your Instagram bio or embedding it within a Facebook post. The key here is to ensure that your followers can easily access the product or service you're promoting. Providing a seamless experience will encourage your audience to explore further. Next, consider the power of Instagram stories. With their temporary nature and broad reach, they offer a unique opportunity for promotion. If you have more than 10,000 followers, you can use the swipe up feature to directly link to your affiliate product. This is a fantastic way to drive traffic straight from your story to the product page, significantly increasing the chances of a sale. But remember, it's not just about inserting links willy-nilly. Creating content around the product or service you're promoting is equally important. This could be a product review, a tutorial, or even a simple unboxing video. The idea is to showcase the value of the product, making it more appealing to your audience. By providing genuine information and opinions, you create trust, which is crucial in persuading your followers to click on that affiliate link. Also, don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted caption. Captions can provide context for the link, explain the benefits of the product, and even create a sense of urgency with a call to action. A good caption can be the difference between a scroll past and a click-through. Lastly, always be transparent about your affiliate links. It's not just about trust, it's also about complying with guidelines set by the Federal Trade Commission. So always disclose when a link is an affiliate link. Remember, the key to successful promotion is to provide value and not to come off as overly promotional. Make sure your content is helpful, engaging, and authentic, and you'll be on your way to successful affiliate marketing on social media. It's crucial to track your success to know what's working and what's not. Diving into the world of affiliate marketing without a compass is like setting off on a journey without a map. You might get lucky and find a pot of gold, but chances are you'll end up lost, frustrated, and empty-handed. One of the most important compasses in affiliate marketing is tracking codes. These nifty little tools are like breadcrumbs that trace the path from the click of a link to a purchase. They allow you to see exactly where your traffic is coming from and how effectively it's converting into sales. By embedding tracking codes in your affiliate links, you can gather valuable data that can help you optimize your strategy. But what exactly should you be tracking? Well, there are several key metrics that can offer insights into your affiliate marketing success. Firstly, the click-through rate, or CTR. This is the percentage of people who click on your affiliate link out of all the people who see it. A high CTR suggests that your content is engaging and your call to action is compelling. Secondly, conversions. This is the number of people who not only click on your affiliate link, but actually go on to make a purchase. A high conversion rate signifies that your audience is interested in the product and trusts your recommendation. If your conversion rate is low, you might need to rethink the products you're promoting or find ways to build more trust with your audience. Lastly, the overall income from your affiliate marketing efforts. This is the ultimate measure of success. If your income is high, you're on the right track. If it's low, it's time to go back to the drawing board. Remember, tracking is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires regular analysis and adjustments. By tracking your success, you can refine your strategy and increase your affiliate income. So keep tracking, keep refining, and keep striving for success. Let's wrap up with some tips for success in affiliate marketing. First, remember to be patient. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to establish trust, build an audience, and learn what works best for your unique situation. Patience is indeed a virtue in this game, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Secondly, never stop learning and adapting. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new platforms, algorithms, and consumer behaviors emerging all the time. Stay informed about these changes and be ready to adapt your strategy accordingly. Follow thought leaders in the field, attend webinars, read industry blogs, and always keep an open mind to new ideas and approaches. Thirdly, always prioritize the trust of your audience. This is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Without trust, your recommendations will fall on deaf ears. To build and maintain this trust, always promote products and services you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and never let the pursuit of commissions compromise the quality of your content. Additionally, diversify your affiliate marketing efforts. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Engage multiple platforms, promote a variety of products, and experiment with different strategies. This not only mitigates risk, but also opens up more opportunities for success. Lastly, remember that content is king. High-quality, valuable content is what will attract and retain your audience. Always strive to provide content that is informative, entertaining, and adds value to your audience's lives. This will keep them coming back for more and increase the chances of them clicking on your affiliate links. And let's not forget about consistency. Regularly posting and engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. With these tips and strategies, you're well on your way to making money with affiliate links on social media. That's a wrap on promoting affiliate links on social media. We've journeyed through the exciting world of affiliate marketing, exploring its importance and the potential it holds for income generation. We've also looked into the process of choosing the right affiliate program, a decision that should prioritize compatibility with your audience and the quality of the product or service. Our conversation led us to the crucial task of building an engaged social media audience. Remember, an engaged audience is the lifeblood of successful affiliate marketing. Therefore, it's essential to create content that resonates with your followers, encourages interaction, and ultimately fosters trust. We then delved into the heart of the matter, promoting affiliate links on social media. Here we emphasize the importance of authenticity. It's about recommending products or services you believe in, ones you've tried, tested, and approved. We also stress the importance of disclosure. It's not just about being honest with your audience, it's also a legal requirement. The journey wouldn't be complete without discussing how to track your affiliate marketing success. Using the right tools to track your progress helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to tweak your strategies for better results. And finally, we shared some invaluable tips for success in affiliate marketing. Remember, it's all about being patient, persistent, and passionate. It's about learning continuously and improving consistently. Now it's your turn to take these steps and start earning income with affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with consistency and dedication, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.